Hey guys, do you have some cheap plastic lawn furniture that has a few broken pieces here and there? What makes it ugly is that it's lost its symmetrical appearance. So if you're not ready to give up on it yet, this is what I do. So you can see this piece here is broken off and this piece here. So what I'll do is, because I'm lazy, I have a battery operated Sawzall. I'm going to come over to here. Same spot as where it's broken on the other side. Okay, now we're getting symmetrical. Same thing here. Same place it's broken off on that side. Look at that. Now it almost looks like it's supposed to be like that. But if you're just missing one piece here, one piece there, it's obvious that it's broken. And that's not what we want. Nobody likes to spend money, so this is a way to get a few more miles out of your falling apart inexpensive lawn furniture. This one is only broken down here, so we're going to cut this and we're done. You can use a handsaw, a hacksaw, anything that'll cut through this plastic, which by the time that it's at this point of decay, it's pretty easy to cut through. Just make sure that it's still safe to use. You don't want people sitting on it and then getting impaled by broken pieces of plastic. So just a super short video on how I try to save a buck. I hope this helps. Oh, and you know what? You can do this with chairs, anything that's plastic. I actually have I'm gonna go get it. Hold on. Okay, here it is. And it needs to be cleaned, but this side had broken out. And it's super obvious that there's a problem. So what I did is I cut out the same exact portion on the opposite side. And now it looks normal again. So again, it's just a way to save a couple bucks, maybe get the rest of the season out of your inexpensive lawn furniture. Just wanted to share it with you guys. Any questions, comments, post them and I'll reply. Thanks.